So, recently I put up a video on my story showing the type of gear that I have on my desk, and people seem to be interested in knowing why I got it and what I used it for. And I was like, you know what? Why not make a video showing you guys what I use this gear for and why I got it? And most of the stuff are from Hogo because they are the plug. Now let's see what's on my desk.
I'm a leader of the new school. Yeah. I hear these other niggas say they run the game, thought that they a bunch of old schools. Kung fu, pen and Nike sheath.
So first of all, I have the PlayStation 5, which I kind of use it to de-stress and relax because the job that we do is kind of heavy. And I have two PlayStation 5 headphones. Don't ask me why. But one is dedicated to only Call of Duty and the other one is used for any other comms games, could be your FC25 or your Unbound. And I have the Logitech steering wheel, which I use it when I'm playing racing games. It kind of makes me feel like I'm in these cars and then I'll own them one day. And I have the MetaQuest 2 VR. You can do so much with this thing. You can use it for editing, you can watch your movies, you can play video games.